My name is Harvey White and I'm the project manager at 60 Gracechurch Street. So located at the corner of Confined Street and Gracechurch Street, the development sits in the western cluster of major developments in the City of London. The existing building comprises of 8 storeys of superstructure and a 2-storey basement, and the final scheme will be a 37-storey tower and a 3-storey basement. The 60 Gracechurch Street project is a prime example of Keltbray's integrated services approach. A single core team will take the project from pre-construction through to demolition and enabling works, basement box and RC core construction. This enables us to maintain programme momentum throughout all phases and allows consistent, clear communication to the client team throughout. The primary challenge on the project is the complexity of the basement structure. Because the basement enabling works is being carried out concurrently with the demolition of the superstructure, the coordination in the basement becomes very complex. So we have to consider the existing structure, the basement propping schemes and the new structure construction throughout this enabling phase to ensure that smooth transition between each phase once we get into the basement extension. This is done by working in close collaboration with our in-house designers Wentworth to ensure all issues are flushed out and the design is optimised.
My name is Kostas, I'm an associate for Wentworth and I'm the lead engineer for the 60 Gracechurch project. So Wentworth and Keltbray have started collaborating way before Keltbray took occupancy of the site. We sat in regular meetings and workshops to brainstorm and think about the best possible solutions to enable the demolition and the excavation of the basement. Wentworth allocated more than 10 engineers and technicians to the job to come up with the most efficient way to meet the client's goals in a very tight deadline schedule and in a very tight, spatially constrained building.
So there was a big focus on circular economy and reuse in the pre-construction and soft strip phases of the project. Keltbray hosted an open day for charities to come in and review what was available, and we were able to rehome items such as sofas, chairs and office equipment to the charities free of charge. We also identified there was a quantity of glass that could be salvaged from the project, and we're able to salvage 14 tonnes of glass which went off to be recycled. So we hosted an open doors event which gave pupils in primary school an opportunity to come to the site, be given a site tour and explain more about the construction industry and what Keltbray do within the industry. We also have a number of apprentices on site, ranging from demolition apprentices to engineering apprentices.
I'm Meredith Davey, Design and Sustainability Director for Cellar, and Cellar are the development managers of this project. But this is a challenging project. We're on a very tight site in the centre of the city, with residential neighbours over there, occupied buildings all around us. There is nothing you can say about this site that is easy, but yet Keltbray seems to be making very good progress at delivering on what they promised us.
So I'm Neil Connolly and I'm the Development Manager for Obayashi Properties UK Limited, and we're the client on this project. This type of project is complicated. You will find things that you didn't expect, but Keltbray have maintained the programme on the project, and really every challenge that they've found, they have addressed. So I think that that's very laudable and demonstrates their collaboration with us and also with the challenges that they found on the site.